Hi. Hey, Punita. Say it. What do you have for breakfast? What do you have for breakfast? Punita? What do you have for breakfast? Come on, eat it. Hey, 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 hey. Let's finish this. Come on, Pooh. Let's finish it. Come on, let's finish. Let's finish your breakfast. Come on. Finish your breakfast. No. Finish your breakfast. What do you have for breakfast? Potato? What else? Carrots? Broccoli? Egg? And pumpkin. Yum, it's yummy. Say it. Yummy. Yum yum. Oh, what is that? Carrots and potato at one bite? Wow. Good for you.